This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT reading question. We're looking at the phrase in line 7, checking each step like the jerk of a chain. And we want to interpret that to mean what, based on our answer choices. So we see here that it's the careless look he had, in spite of a lameness, checking each step like the jerk of a chain. And so we find out later in the passage that Ethan Frome has had something referred to as a smash up. He's a problem with his leg. So let's look at our choices to find something more accurate. Choice 1 is entertaining, but really out of nowhere. So Ethan had served time in a chain gang. So he walks with a limp. One of his legs is lame, but just because it's like the jerk of a chain doesn't mean that he's been in a prison chain gang. So that's going to be highly inaccurate. Choice 2, he moved about with uncertainty and timidity. But we don't really see that. We see that he has a powerful look. We see that he's a very striking figure. So this is definitely not an anxious kind of tic. Choice 3, dragged along the dead weight of his injured leg. So that's probably true. So he looks very powerful, but he has this lame leg that every step it's a jerky step because he's dragging his leg along. That's going to be good. And choice 4, he has a stocky build. So we see that he's very lank. So that's the opposite of stocky. And we don't really... So the fact that he's jerking along doesn't have anything to do with his builds, because you can have a lame leg no matter what kind of build you have. So that's not good. So choice 3 is the answer.